Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can take inactive Instagram username. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have been using Instagram and then have been wanting to create a new username or create a new account while adding a username which you liked from another inactive account, and if you have been wanting to use that, one thing that you have to remember is when you try to use an inactive username, that does not mean it's taken, right? So that username is taken, so you cannot use exactly copy, but you can add any other letters, any other symbols for it to be used to you. Once you have gone through the username section, and if you have been wanting to change and edit, you can go ahead and try to add the same username that you have been trying to change into. Just make sure to add more symbols or numbers that is different. Either you can simply request your person who has that account to simply remove that username or change their username so you can have the exact same username on your profile. That is the only option available. Otherwise you cannot take a username that has been on inactive Instagram either. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.